Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be talking about my July favorites. I have some fragrance, body care, skincare, and a little bit of makeup. So if you want to know what those products were for the month of July, then keep on watching. I'm going to start with my empties though. I think I've been doing it the last few videos, like showing you a couple of items that I've emptied for that previous month. So I have them in this Ulta bag, and I talked about these two products so much here. So I feel like you could probably guess what they are. I'm using them every month. But this is the Suave Strawberry Delight Exfoliating Scrub Wash. Nothing else said about this. Affordable, does the skin really well, a gentle exfoliant, smells amazing like a strawberry shortcake. So if you are into those type of scents and want a 2-in-1, definitely check out the Suave Strawberry Delight Exfoliating Scrub Wash. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a staple in my body care routine. This is the Bioma Hydrating Body Wash, and this is the normal to dry skin one, the teal bottle. This one smells so good, like I'm at a spa. It gives a nice hydration to the skin without stripping my skin, and I love that. It mixes well with a lot of other body care products that I use for my nighttime and daytime routine. So I love that as well, and it's good for sensitive skin. So love this so much. I emptied so many bottles of this, and I'm gonna keep talking about it. So you're probably gonna be like, girl, you talk about that in every favorites video, but it's truly a favorite because I'm going through them so much. Now this next one was gifted to me by Stratosphere, and it was during the FIFA World Cup, and this is a limited edition. This is the Dove Palo Santo and Sage Oil. This is what this looks like. When I say my husband and I crushed this bottle, our bodies drank this up, okay? It smells so good. That sage in here is not given like that earthy type of sage. It's still some sweetness in here. It's sweet, but it's calming. It's given like spa. And that sage definitely is coming through, but it's not like a, how can I describe that? Like, there are some fragrances that have like sage and all those earthy herbs that really do smell really earthy and herby. This one is sweet. It was soft and gentle on the skin. I felt like that the oil was also giving more hydration, so you really didn't have to immediately put on body lotion. This was really good. I hope they bring this back. But again, this is the Dove limited edition. It was limited edition Palo Santo and Sage Oil. This was really, really good. Really good. The next thing I emptied is my Bubble Power Wave Super Hydrating Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. If you have normal to dry skin, it has a pump on here, so it's gonna pump out. I'm like, there's nothing else coming out of this thing. So I am excited that I was able to finish this moisturizer because I just opened up a new one. So this is going to give you that hydration you need. She is a little bit on the thicker side, so I like to use this at night, or just if I'm not wearing any makeup and I need my skin to be hydrated, I'm going to put this on. And it wears really nicely under makeup as well if you choose to do it that way as well. So really, really good moisturizer. If you are a beginner into the skincare realm, if you have sensitive dry skin, check out the Bubble Power Wave Super Hydrating Moisturizer. Moving on to my favorites. I'm gonna first start off with fragrance. The fragrance I've been putting to the test with body oils and things of that nature. I've recently talked about it in one of my previous videos. It's the Sand and Fog Tropical Guava Body Oil Perfume. I love that by itself, but I love it even better with this fragrance. This is the Giorgio Armani Si Passione Eclat. And I've been taking her out. It just gives sexy, feminine, mature. I know what I want. You know what I mean? Like, very on theme for spring and summer. This is definitely, it gives a little bit of that citrusy, very light, but wearable fragrance. I like wearing this to church, and I pair that with that oil, like I said, or even like a date night. This is so good. It's perfect. It's perfect. I haven't been putting this down. She's been getting a lot of wear and love from me for the past month and some change. The next one I want to talk about is when I want to go more that sweeter route, when I want to go more that vanilla route or berry route. This is the one I've been reaching for. It's the Black Opium. It's the Black Opium Red, this red bottle here. So good, so good. That vanilla, that you can smell the berry, like it's black currant, I believe, is in here. You can smell it, and it's like so juicy, sweet. This smells so good. I can wear this all day, any day, at night, during the day, anytime. Moving on to skincare. So this has been a recent favorite, but I just wanted to talk about it in this video because I'm constantly using it and I'm noticing some changes in my skin, which I really love. This is the Thayer's Facial Toner in Rose Petal. And what I like about this is that it's gentle on the skin. It's going to cleanse the skin. It's exfoliating the skin gently. But also for sensitive skin, it's going to give a little this has been giving a little bit of hydration as well, and not stripping the skin when you go in with a toner. Some toners will allow you to feel like, you know, you got to go ahead and go in with your moisturizer in your next step, your serums and all that. Whereas this particular one, shout out to Thayers, this has been giving some hydration along with it. And I believe because it has aloe vera oil in here. And I thought I was going to be like sensitive to that rose scent, but it's not strong at all. It's very faint, but I've been loving this, loving it. The next skincare product I want to talk about is I've been reaching and revisiting this particular product. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. It has vitamin C and banana powder inspired pigments in here. What I've been re-engaging about this product is that you can wear this on its own, or you can wear it under makeup. You can wear it on top of makeup if you wanted to because of the pigment in here. But it is a really nice hydrating, moisturizing primer that has those skincare benefits in here. I love a good primer or makeup product that has skincare products in it, because I feel like it's just gonna do what it needs to do for my skin, if that makes sense. It's a dual product. So it's giving you the primer, it's giving you the vitamin C that your skin needs. It also is giving that highlighted look. So those pigments is gonna give your skin that natural glow, that natural radiance. And I've really been liking this a lot. I've been going back and forth with it. And I used to use it some time ago, and I've been revisiting it, and I'm enjoying it under my makeup. It also smells really, really good too. So been loving that. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. Next up for primers, I am going to talk about this one because I've been learning and loving this and how to use it for my skin type. I know a lot of the girlies are loving the blurring matte one. This is the blurring radiant one, and what I noticed is that I like it in conjunction with the primer serum by Danessa Myricks. This is the Yummy Skin Universal Radiant Blurring Balm Powder. And this is the radiant one, so the packaging is shiny. And she's been getting some love from me. I've been loving it because it's been smoothing out the canvas, right? I have it on today, wearing under my makeup. On top of that, I have the Yummy Skin Serum. Those two together, they have been doing something different with my makeup. I don't know what it is, but it's giving like I got my makeup professionally done by somebody else other than my professional hands themselves, if that makes sense. So I've been loving that so much. I've been using it and just playing around with it, seeing what it works with all my different skin tints, foundations, so forth and so on. And I would suggest trying it out if you haven't tried it. And it's perfect because it, like I said, it gives that blurring effect. And I put it in the areas, being as though this is a radiant one, I put it in the areas where I want that shine, because this is a radiant blurring balm and it dries down to a powder, if that makes sense. But it's not cakey, it's not drying, and just adding that with that serum, chef's kiss, chef's kiss. The last couple of products I want to talk about is a face powder. This one is the Laura Mercier Translucent Pressed Setting Powder. It's the Ultra Blur, and I have it in the shade Translucent Honey. I have been using this in my last few makeup tutorials or makeup videos, and I have been loving this powder because it's a very finely milled powder, similar to the Translucent Loose Setting Powder by Laura Mercier. I just feel like this powder definitely gives that blurring effect. We're just in a blurring era, right? So I feel like this is giving that blurring effect all over the face, and I don't have to worry about doing a loose setting powder all over the face. I feel like a pressed setting powder just looks more airbrushed, more flawless on my skin. So I was so excited when I found this. The fact that it's translucent honey works perfectly for my skin tone. And so I don't have to worry about being too deep, or I don't have to use a translucent shade or a fair shade to try to blend it in. This is so good. I love what this has been doing with my makeup as well. This next product is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. Now, it took me some time to adjust to this because, one, I think I need another shade, and I am loving this skin tint. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm so excited that it does do what this claims to do. It is going to correct, it is going to hydrate, and it's going to smooth the skin. As long as you're prepping the skin, no matter what you're doing, that skin tint or foundation should work. And so I have been loving this. I've been using it quite a bit, and I've been working with it, girl. She gives a nice flawless finish. She definitely lasts a little bit longer than most of my other skin tints. I will say that this does give a little bit more coverage, and probably because it's correcting, because it's a skin tint that hydrates, smooth, and correct. So I feel like that correcting component in this skin tint is what gives it that oomph of a little bit more coverage. So shout out to Danessa Myricks for this innovative skin tint that's giving you the coverage, giving you the smoothness, giving you the hydration all in one. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. And last but not least, I want to talk about these lippies. I have been wearing these lippies since I posted a shorts here on my YouTube channel as well as over on my Instagram. These are the Fui long-lasting dual lip liner and lipstick. So one end is a lip liner and the other end is a lipstick. The lip liners are transfer proof, long lasting. They do not budge. Do you hear me? They don't budge. And then the other side is a lipstick. So you get two for the bang of your buck. And I love that because you can just drop these in your purse. And then these two shades were collaborated by Monica here on YouTube for our deeper skin tones, for our discoloration type of skin, for, you know, pigmented type of skin, undertone and all that. And these are so good. They're so good. The lipsticks glide on so creamy. And like I said, these lip liners stay. I have the brown one on today with the pink one in the center, the pink lipstick part in the center, just for a little razzle dazzle. And then I put on a lip gloss on top. So I have been loving these. I haven't even been reaching for a lot of other lipsticks. These have been a go-to for me because that 2-in-1 definitely helps out. Drop it in your bag and you are good to go. You have your lip liner and your lippy. What more can we ask for? So I will have all of these products listed down below. Let me know what was your favorite product for the month of July. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.